Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $5 to $50 over and over again online with a very simple tool, and it's actually free if you want to use it right now, okay? So let me get to it right now. So here we are. This is the first site I'm going to show you where you could start earning your money. Now, I'm showing you Fiverr.com. You could get on there by going Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and you could reach this page where you can sign up to join and get yourself set up. But what Fiverr.com is that it's a freelancing site. So anybody like you can come on here, set up an account, and start selling services, okay? Now, the service that I'm going to suggest that you use right now for this video that I'm going to show you how to earn $5 to $50 at a time is by removing image backgrounds, okay? A lot of store owners and people online need to have their images, have their backgrounds removed from the images to either sell their products or for other marketing uses when they promote their products. So a lot of times people want the image of their backgrounds removed, and this is one of the services that you can offer on Fiverr.com. And remember, as I mentioned earlier, that I'm going to show you a free tool to help you do this very, very easily. So you do not have to know how to use Photoshop or anything like that. Okay, so stay tuned for the free tool that I'm going to show you in a second to help you make this really easy. When I first got on Fiverr.com, I did a search, remove image background, and all these listings came up. Now, like this listing, this person is selling up to 10 images for $5 only. Okay, so this person will remove the background up to 10 simple images, and they will save it as JPEG or PNG. So this is very simple things to do. That's all you gotta do with it. You just gonna remove the background, okay? So just hold on a second before you click away or anything like that. I'm gonna show you with a tool that can do this quickly, and you do not have to do Photoshop, okay? If you don't use Photoshop, you don't have to say it in here, okay? You don't have to say Photoshop. You could just say that you will remove the image backgrounds of people's pictures, okay? And then you can see how much this person is charging people, okay? So they're charging $5 for basic, which is up to 10 images. And then standard is up to 30 images. You get, it's $15. And if they want up to 100 images, it's going to be $50, okay? So they're going to be charged, people are going to be charged $50 whether they do 31 images or 100 images. So you're going to make a lot more with this, and this is how you can earn $5 all the way up to $50 over and over again each time you sell one of these guys, okay? It's going to be pretty exciting and easy money. Just watch till I show you how easy this is, okay? You don't need to know how to actually do it because I'm going to show you this free tool in a second. But there's a second site I want to show you that you can promote your services on, and that is people per hour. And in fact, people per hour, this site is actually based in United Kingdom, and that's why these they're not dollars, these are pounds now, in pounds, and it seems like they're charging a lot more on here to remove background images. Like this one will remove 20 images because 10 pounds is about, let's say, $12 to $13 for US. So this guy is charging a little bit more than $5 for 10, right? So you can see the difference here that this one is you can earn a little more here. This is the same. See, this one is charging for 100 images for 25 pounds. So at 100 images, this person here is charging 50. So basically, this person is charging 50 cents an image. And on people per hour, they're charging a little bit more, maybe 70 cents or 60 cents, 60 to 70 cents an image. Like this listing here is 15 pounds, for, let's see, how many images? For 20 images. That's $18-19 US, guys. So for 20 images, and for 10 images here, they're only charging $5. So you could really earn a lot more on here if you use this site. But regardless, if you're just starting out, you want to use as many platforms as possible, right? To get as many clients as possible. So what is this tool that's going to help you guys offer the service? It is at remove.bg. Okay, this is a web-based tool that can easily turn any image and take the background off very easily. I mean, look at these samples here. That is just amazing. Okay, very amazing. Now I'm going to give you a short demo of what it looks like. It's like so awesome. I'm just going to upload one of my profile pics here, and it's going to look like in seconds, right? Look at this. Not even 30 seconds, guys. You see it live. I just did that. It even took my original picture that looks like it's like, you know, upside or wrong orientation, and it even flipped that back for me and removed the background, includes my hair still, and it's like that. And I could just download it and I'm ready to put myself onto any other background. I mean, if that's not easy, I don't know what is, guys, okay? So this is a great tool. So you do get a certain amount free, but check this out. Check out the pricing. It is very affordable, okay, guys? If you are going to buy as what they suggest at 500 credits per month, which is $89, you could do this at only 18 cents an image, guys. Okay, and you're charging 50 cents an image on the very cheap end on this Fiverr.com site. You know, you're still charging 50 cents per image here. And this tool is doing all the work for you, okay, guys? So I find this tool exceptionally awesome. And here you get what you could also start for free, okay? That's why I was able to kind of check that out. So you get 50 free previews per month if you have your free account here. So you could check out with a free account, and if you like it and you want to do this kind of business, go for it and buy some credits and see if you can. So even at the cheapest rate, at $9, it's still at 23 cents an image. You're still profiting double here, okay, at 50 cents an image. All right, so if you come here and do it, you're gonna earn even more. So this is just one way for you to make money online. Isn't this a cool way, guys? I just thought this was really neat. I just want to show you guys. So if this is something that you want to do, then this is awesome. But for you to get clients though, like this guy has like 307 orders, and remember that not everybody reviews, so there's actually a lot more sales that this person is getting from this. And so, I mean, I don't know how long this person took, but you do need to kind of promote yourself in the beginning, of course, because you're not going to get a lot of sales if you just go put up a listing and then that's it. You got to really promote yourself. So you could do it through social media, do it through email, do it through different Facebook groups, see if anybody needs any contact shop owners. There's a lot of shop owners on IG, Instagram, and you could just ask shop owners if they need help, you know, removing the image backgrounds, and you could get clients this way, okay? You could just send them your listing on Fiverr or on People Per Hour, and maybe even offer some for free so that you can get some 5-star reviews. So that is a great way to get some reviews and build up your profile on these sites, okay? So this is just 2 sites that I've shown you, but there are other sites that you can do this on as well. You could provide services on Upwork.com and Freelancer.com. There's many different sites that you can put a listing on to get more clients and so forth, okay, guys? But you know what? You are still trading time for money doing it this way, but it's a great start for you to learn how to make money online, guys. Okay, and if you want to learn even better way to make money online where you're not trading time for money, where you can still earn money while you're eating, playing, sleeping, on vacation, or with your family, then check out the first link in my video description below, because I'm going to show you the program that I've connected with that teaches you this business model that I really love to make money with, and it's the business model that allows me to earn in my sleep, guys. Okay, so check that out, the first link in the video description. I really hope you really liked this video, so if you did, please give me a thumbs up and give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, okay? And hit that notification bell so you can see when my video comes up. So thank you very much for coming to this video today. I hope you make money online soon, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.